Drama on the rails. The CEO of one railroad company is leaving the station, but in a twist, he's stepping down so that he can shake up a rival company with the help of an activist. That railroad is CSX, which saw its shares soar. Morgan Brennan has more on this unusual turn of events.
Call it a railroad shakeup, as two well-known names in the industry, Hunter Harrison and Paul Halal, spurred a big rally in rail stocks today. Harrison, a highly regarded railroader, is stepping down from the CEO role at Canadian Pacific, forfeiting $89 million to, quote, pursue opportunities involving other Class 1 railroads. He says he's in talks to team up with Halal, an activist investor who recently started the Mantle Ridge Fund after parting ways with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square last year. It was Halal who initiated Pershing's infamous proxy battle for Canadian Pacific, luring Harrison to lead a turnaround at that company. Now the two men are reportedly setting their sights on CSX. Analysts say it's a move that could make a lot of sense.
Hunter's had a long history of operational improvement at every railroad that he's been. I think his last target would be an Eastern Railroad, and CSX looks like it's the one. I think there's a big opportunity for him to get into that company and really begin to improve margins for them. That could drive a lot of earnings and a lot of value for shareholders, and I think that's what's going on with the stock today.
In response to all the talk, CSX saying it will, quote, actively evaluate Mantle Ridge's views and look forward to discussing its core strategy to continue driving earnings growth and shareholder value. But Wall Street may already be pricing a management change into the stock, sending the share price to new highs and fueling renewed hope for a merger.
From a Canadian Pacific standpoint and from a CSX standpoint, I do believe that that is optionality that we might see play out over the course of several years. I think the near-term opportunity is to improve the margins and the operations of the business, but over the course of the next several years, we could be talking about mergers more.
And the industry may already be bracing for that possibility. Incoming Canadian Pacific CEO Keith Creel, a Harrison protege, told the investment community just last night that he believes consolidation, quote, will occur in the industry, possibly as soon as next year. For a Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan.